review the DockMaster Service Management module and some of the common functions within that module. I'm going to use a workflow to start with reviewing customers, then moving on to estimates, work orders, and the service monitor. To access customer maintenance, click on File Maintenance and then select Customers. This will bring up a form that shows all of your current customer information. On the first tab for the basic info, we've got the customer's name, address, phone number, and email. If the billing address is different than the shipping address, this is where it can be stored as well. In addition, we can also click on the Billing tab to review different billing information for this customer, such as their current balance owed for any outstanding bills, their credit limit, their payment terms, and any discount percentages that have been delivered to them. There's also the option to click on the transaction history, which can provide a list of all transactions that have been logged against this customer record to date. This could include billing for work orders, miscellaneous charges, point of sale tickets, as well as storage, billing, dockage, etc. To create an estimate for this customer, we're going to go into Estimate Maintenance, which is under Service Management. You can choose to create a new estimate from scratch or create an estimate from a template, which is what I'm going to do right now. So I right-click on this and click on Create Estimate From. And from here, I choose Template, and then I'm going to right-click and choose a list of templates. Now from my template list, it provides me with templates that I have already pre-populated in the system. And I'm going to choose this last one here for our example. Now I'm going to create an estimate for this, so I'm going to put in New for a new estimate. And then here I can select which operation codes I want to include. My template has 3, but I can choose to uncheck or check any individual operation to toggle it on or off for going to my estimate. Once I'm satisfied, I'm going to click the Save button in the upper left-hand corner. Now, with my estimate, since I'm going to deliver this to a customer, I need to associate a customer with it. So I'm going to type in my customer's customer number, at which point DockMaster is going to let me know there are multiple boats, and let me choose which boat I want to associate this one particular estimate with. So I'm going to select Dreamweaver. When I select that boat, it populates all of Dreamweaver's information into the upper portion of the boxes to give me their boat ID, name, make, model, the serial number, registration number, and some other information about my boat. It also lists out each of the operations below, and from here I can choose to print out this estimate to deliver to my customer so that they can choose to sign off on that. Now once they have signed off on the estimate and they're ready for us to start work, we then go in and create a work order similarly from the estimate. So I've already got my work order populated here with the Dreamweaver boat information, and it's got all of my different operations on it. I'm going to double click on this repaint option so I can drill down into some of the details about that particular operation code. I can see that this one is set to do flat rate billing at $65 per foot based off the length overall on the boat. Additionally, I can click on these tabs, such as the Parts tab, to see what items have already been put on order. I can choose to add an item to this order if there's something more needed for this operation. And when I go ahead and click on this one and I go to add it, DockMaster alerts me that this part is not on hand and gives me the option to create a special order. If I click yes, it'll list the new item and it'll create a special order for that item and list it with a red bar over on the right-hand side for the status to alert me that I've got to wait for this part, but it's on order. Now, if I want to review the overall status of work orders available for my customer, I can use the Service Monitor. I put in the criteria that we would like to see all of the work orders that have come through for David Demo. I can see on the right-hand side here that several of them are closed, but there are a few that are started and in an open status. I can drill down further to see the different operation codes, and I can even see that this one is waiting on parts because of our special order in the previous example. Also from this screen, if I choose, I can right-click and I can go directly into work order maintenance to reopen this work order if there's any work that I need to do, such as receiving that special ordered item against the operation so I can progress with that particular one, or to perform any other actions on the work order that may be necessary. This concludes the demo of the DockMaster Service Management module. For more information about this module, as well as many other options within DockMaster, please visit dockmaster.com.